Want a car camera that ensures security and peace of mind? Then you need the Rexing Dashcam, perfect for drivers who want a reliable record of what's happening on the road and inside the vehicle. The Rexing Dashcam provides excellent image and sound quality, even in low light conditions, thanks to its wide dynamic range technology and the Sony Starvis image sensor. They also come with Wi-Fi, GPS, and a supercapacitor, making them resilient to high temperatures. It comes with a mobile app compatible with Android and iOS, allowing you to view videos from your phone and track the vehicle's location, speed, and route through the built-in GPS. Additionally, it has an 18-month warranty and US-based customer support. Rexing Dashcams feature a parking mode that records upon detecting motion or impact, useful for preventing theft or vandalism. They're high-quality car cameras offering great features at a reasonable price, especially the Rexing V1P Pro, with good image quality, GPS, and a supercapacitor. Get your Rexing Dashcam today and travel worry-free.